Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Remy Evil Panda from Evil Sing Pandas, together with Remy Fan from Honey Pie Production. Today happens to be on the 21st of December 2020. One more day of working, one more day to my day off. And I suddenly feel like wearing this old army uniform because this year marks the 20th year since I left the military service. So I remember wearing this when I was in my 20s, and I can still fit into it, so that's not a bad thing, isn't it? So this song is a special tribute to all my friends whom I've made over the years, and some of them are still very good friends of mine back in army. And I want to sing this song for all of them. The song is called Let the Cold Wind Blow. Hope you enjoy this one. In the early morning run, I got my field pack on my back, with an aching in my heart, and my body's full of sweat, 'cause I'm a long, long way from home, and I miss my mama so. With an aching in my heart, let the cold wind blow. 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 In the early morning run, I got my field pack on my back, with an aching in my heart, and my body's full of sweat. I'm a long, long way from home, and I miss my mama so. With an aching in my heart, let the cold wind blow. 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 This is Remy Evil Panda from Evil Sing Pandas, together with Remy Fan from Honey Pie Production, wishing everybody a lovely, lovely December. Just counting on days before the new year begins. So stay safe, stay kind, and see you next time.